Hey there, viewers. Thanks for tuning into our meteorology segment, whether you viewed it live on Twitch. It was originally streamed there, twitch.tv/smAsho, or if you viewed it on YouTube, thanks for tuning in. Let's blast through a meteorology segment. We're going to try to speed this one up a little bit today. Let's do it. First, the jet streams, here they are, of the Western world. And we've got extreme bends in the North Atlantic Ocean, making for some cold days in the Azores. And yeah, look at the 180-degree, that's a 270-degree bend. Extreme kinks in the jet stream at the moment. How about the surface winds? We'll also show you some forecasts and so on. There are the surface winds. And we've got a massive anticyclone here rotating clockwise in the North Atlantic. It's a high-pressure system, folks. They rotate clockwise. It gives you all kinds of insight into what's going on if you understand how to see these, how to read these maps. So here are the surface winds once again for the eastern side of the world, though. And there are the jet streams, doubled up jet streams over the Middle East. Or is that the Central East? I think that's the Central East. Anyway, the jet streams are doubled up. Check it out. And then they're converging on the Pacific Ocean. Keep in mind, folks, winds tend to speed up over water. That's your meteorological tidbit of the day. Yeah, winds speed up over water because cold air blows down and then it reaches the water and it's forced to go in one direction. Here's your 72-hour forecast. And it's showing you pressure and precipitation over the next 3 days. You probably knew what 72 hours was, but that's 3 days if you're wondering. High pressure ridge here over the Rockies. You can see that consistent high pressure there. That will affect the way things play out. That's the GFS forecast for the next 3 days for precipitation and pressure, courtesy tropicaltidbits.com. Next, your pressure forecast. This is just a one-day pressure forecast based on the European model. There's where pressure is now, and you can see that anticyclone is exactly where I drew it because I know how to read the maps. Clear skies over that portion of the ocean, most certainly. This is where we expect pressure cells to be at 1 p.m. tomorrow on Thanksgiving at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. There's where pressure cells shall be. I don't know why I'm bringing up the magnetic model. I wanted to go to weather.gov. There we are. There's your weather.gov map. Gale warnings all around Lake Michigan. Leave us a comment if you'd like to go surfing on Lake Michigan when there are gale warnings. I'd imagine it's a little bit cool. You may want to use a dry suit. Hard freeze warnings in the deep south, as well as in places like western Arizona. Check it out. Anyway, if your county's lit, please click on it. We can't go through all the counties. There's a lot of warnings. None of them are looking too serious. Here is your NASA GOES lightning mapper. Not that much lightning going on at the moment. Here's a real-time lightning map, lightningmaps.org. We stream it live, so we show you a real-time lightning map. It's looking a little bit delayed. All right, there we go. I see some lightning now. Got some lightning in the western Mediterranean now, as well as in the Central Atlantic. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers. Thanks to our YouTube subscribers. Please press like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Tell your friends and foes about us. Press like and subscribe. Press share. And by all means, join the Smash team. You'll get all kinds of insight nobody else gets to see. We put up content there on our own servers that would be frowned upon on social media. Pardon our lateness today, by the way. There were good reasons. Welcome to the DR Renaissance. Check out our merch if you haven't. The smAsho merch link will take you to our Redbubble shop, where the designs are spectacular. We would invite you to Mensa Make Earth Not Suck Again, since it's up to you. And today's featured product is Respect Existence or Expect Resistance. It comes in all kinds of different things like throw pillows and magnets, phone cases, hats and stickers. There's even an A-line dress. Respect Existence or Expect Resistance, our featured product of the day. Once again, you can find links at smAsho.com. And I'd like to welcome all of our viewers to the this is me learning how to speak, the Neo-Renaissance. Welcome everybody to the Neo-Renaissance. Congratulations on realizing we exist. Let's move on while we're still able to do that. If you're getting serious about Christmas shopping and you'd like to buy a bike, head to curated.com/e/dan.nigro. Yeah, curated.com/e/dan.nigro. And you can chat with me if you'd like to purchase a bicycle. I'll hook you up. I'll give you my advice. I'll even help you upgrade, etc. Thanks to our Twitch followers. Again, this video was originally streamed live to Twitch. Here's the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean. It's Earth's largest heat sink, the deepest body of water in the world, the largest body of water in the world. There's a lot of polar molecules in there. And what's going on above them is relevant. That's your water vapor map. Here's your all 50 states Doppler radar animation. Precipitation returning to southern Alaska. And over a large portion of the area, sort of on the east side of the Rockies mostly. And that all has to do with low pressure being created as a result of pressure drops on the leeward side of those mountain faces. Also cold air making its way into the U.S. Very cold here in eastern Pennsylvania. It was well below freezing this morning when we got up. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. It's a little bit too dark yet over most of this map to use the visible satellite, so we're using the shortwave radiation map. And look at all the low clouds over the eastern seaboard. All low clouds there. Please leave a comment if you understand the implications of cosmic ray flux and cloud formation. Clouds form on ionization pathways. Sometimes they're more likely to do so, at least. And it all has to do with, well, part of it has to do with cosmic ray flux. Part of it has to do with Hall currents on the planet Earth. And all kinds of other aspects of the fact that the Earth's atmosphere is a capacitor. Anyway, here's your recap. There is the U.S. Doppler radar map. Yeah, the universe isn't electric, folks, but some things are. And the atmosphere is. You've all seen lightning, right? Here's a shortwave radiation. Again, look at all those low clouds, also over the Gulf. And here is the water vapor map. You can see warm air pushing up here into Texas and so on. Hopefully that helps. Hopefully you can forecast your own weather. Thanks for tuning in. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.